I hear this all the time, both online and in real life. Dude, just let it go. Just forgive. Well, I don't think it's always that simple. Let me explain. First off, don't get me wrong, I'm not someone who holds on to stuff forever. I do forgive, but I don't forgive easily. It really depends on how serious the situation is. Sometimes I can move past it, other times, not at all. When it comes to friends, I have a rule. I can forgive twice, but if it happens a third time, it's a big no for me. Here's why I don't believe in forgiving someone over and over again in a short period of time. 1. People start to see your kindness as weakness, and they'll keep crossing the line. 2. If someone keeps hurting you, they clearly don't respect you. And honestly, why stay friends with someone like that? Now, to be clear, I'm talking about friends. Family, that's a whole different situation, and it can be more complicated. But if a friend does me wrong a third time, I'll stop talking to them, sometimes for years. And maybe down the line, if they change and grown as a person, we can reconnect and be cool again. Because people can change. Time has a way of teaching lessons. You just hope they mature. That's how I approach forgiveness. What about you? What's your take? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear them. I'm boiling this pork cheek first before grilling it because there's a big chunk of bone in there and I want to make use of it for soup. If I just grilled it right away, that bone would go to waste. My cooking philosophy is simple. Use every part of the ingredient. Waste as little as possible. To me, that's how I show respect to the farmers, butchers, and everyone involved in getting this food to us. Have you ever tried grilling fermented or pickled cucumbers? Honestly, this is my first time doing it. I just wanted to see if grilling could make them a bit less soggy and maybe add some flavor with a bit of char. And you know what? I wasn't wrong. To me, they actually taste better grilled. That's a lot of good food for one evening. Not sure if I can finish it all. Wishing you all a great day. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next episode.